All right, what's going on YouTube? Just want to start off today by talking about something quick. Not going to go into detail about it, but yesterday there was some misinformation spread that I was riding in a caribou closure. I would never consider riding in a caribou closure. I was not in a closure. Unfortunately, rumor spread really quick that I was, just because of where our trucks were parked. We cleared the air. All should be good now. Make sure you guys always respect caribou closures. It's a big deal. Really could screw up our future of riding areas. Anyway, let's get out there and have a wicked day today. We're getting out here for another day on the Boulder Dome. Got some sunshine and got a fairly big group of us out here. I think the Alberta pavement crew has been hard at work up here. And Nick going for another shoot here. Big chute climber.
Oh, she gets steep right at the top.
It looked like it.
I got out of the trench.
Lost all your speed.
Oh, she's softening up here.
Is he gonna make it? I don't know if he's gonna make that last spot. Oh! No. Nick's just in a big chute climbing mode today here. Just having a look at it. That one's pretty steep.
Yeah.
Oh! Wow. Right to the edge. All right.
Yeah, you're up next.
Ha! You've been told. We got Jodi going for the steep chute that Nick just pulled. Perfect! Nick's looking at the last chute here, see if he can conquer it. Uh-oh. Hell yeah.
Non-intercooled, man. Monster shoots a long ways. What's up? I don't have long.
Well, kind of fun to watch a little bit of chute climb action there with Nick. I'm on the 146 today. If I had the turbo, I probably would have went up the one there. But never really been much of a chute climber. We'll do a couple hop over bow ties here. One got away from me a little bit there, maybe. Not sure where we're off to here. Pretty cool in here.
Max that.
All right. Oh, brakes on. Let's go find some trees now. A little tree ride on the Freeride. Catch up to these guys. Nope. Smells some shepherd's pie, I think. Oh yeah. Oh, some trench warfare here. Come on now. It is pretty hard through here. sun exposed. Exploring some more boulder terrain I haven't been into. I've been up on this side, but not where we just dropped from. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Alright, moving on from bow ties here and looking at another chute. Gone.
Oh, no. Oh, yeah, he's still going.
So we got our first female rider out for the season, I think, here. Did the boyfriend drag you out, or is this by your own will?
This is by my own will.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah.
How long?
He's been sledding for like 19 years, and then I just got into it this season, so this is like my 13th ride.
Really?
Yeah.
13 rides and you're coming into here. That's pretty good.
Yeah, well, all the guys always say like, oh yeah, you can make it out, no problem, but it's always to be decided.
Yeah, I mean, the way out isn't going to be too pretty, so let's see how things go. Oh, yeah.
I almost nailed that.
Yeah, you stayed committed though. Oh yeah, it just goes up.
Do a couple bow ties here and then we'll work our way out. Whoa, big air! Oh, we're working our way up this creek here now. It's got a lot of holes in it though, so might be a few stucks. Nope. Nice. Oh, right, we came down the creek. Let's go back up. Oh, that was a log. Okay, my arms are sore. Oh, that's close. Alright guys, Saturday morning here, just editing yesterday's video. We ran into some issues last night, so I wasn't able to do it. Won't go into detail, but I guess there's some local sledders. I mean, some of them might not even be sledders that aren't very happy with my videos, or maybe because people thought I was in a caribou closure yesterday, which I was not, or the day before. Anyway, any issue you may have with me, my videos, what I'm doing, I don't know, anything at all. If you have a problem, please don't hesitate to contact me and let me know your thoughts. I want this to be a positive experience for everybody. You know, the town of Revelstoke, people watching my videos, the Snowmobile Club, any outdoor activity around here. So yeah, please don't hesitate. I'll put my email here. You know, I give you my phone number. We can chat about things. And you know, I've been coming here since 2017. Loved every minute of it. Great town, great sledding, great everything. And I'll be back next year, so let's make the most of it. But yeah, that's all I got for today. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.